Because, sir, this is very important and big topic. But the reply that we got is very small and misleading. Speaker, sir, our 6 major rivers are now under control of Inland Waterways Authorities of India. That is deciding the future of these rivers and using MPT or Marmagua Port Authority as its agent here. Under nationalization of river, Center will carry out survey and morphology of rivers for better navigation. These projects are financed by IWAI and executed by MPT and MPA. Speakers, I have checked IWAI website for the DPRs of all 6 rivers, except River Sal. DPRs of other rivers are published. One of the major issue I noticed that joint DPR of Zuari, Mandovi and Kumbarjua Canal are carried out, and the stress of the report is iron ore transportation. That shows the intent of the river nationalization. There is no chapter on fishing activity and fishermen in the DPR. Speaker, sir, you know amcho Goichi government agalle, not with the center. Speaker, sir, jadna nationalize korpa ille, Goa and Kerala am compare केला, ते list ille Kerala आपले 10 नुयो ते लिस्टायला डिलिस्ट केलो, कित्याक लॉक तेजेर डिपेंड आहा म्हणून. पूण आमची गव्हर्मेंटान सोयी न्हय दिल्यो, कांयच अटेम्प्ट करूना खंयची न्हंयच काडपाकय. So my first question is, why did you not oppose on the same ground as Kerala, where our dependence on our river is the same? And will you write to National Water Act 2016 to delist it?
Speaker, sir, I honestly do not know where my colleague from the other side has got whatever he has said. The fact remains that Government of Goa in the year 2013, or 2012 rather, under Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, opposed this particular issue. The fact remains that later when Mr. late Manohar Parrikar was the Chief Minister, he too opposed. But under Section 246 of the Indian Constitution, Parliament has the exclusive legislative power to make laws with respect to any of the matters enumerated in List 1 of the 7th Schedule of the Constitution. Under this article in List 1, later, the National Waterways Act of 2016 declared 6 rivers of Goa as national waterways.
Because on list number 1, rivers were not there. Our rivers were not there on the list number 1.
Speaker, sir, it is not a question of our rivers.
Speaker, sir,
list number 1.
List number 1.
See, when you spoke, I did not disturb you. Let me complete. List number 1 gives powers to Government of India or to Parliament to enact certain laws under which this particular law has been enacted.
Because same Kerala, same law. Kerala, how they did it?
Are you trying to tell me that waterways in Kerala have not been notified?
They did it. Why you didn't try also?
Whom? I have clearly told you.
Say, आमचे लोक ते रिवरान डिपेंड आहा. एक्झाम्पल आमचे रिवर साल.
माननीय सदस्य
हजारान लोक तेजेर डिपेंड आहा. एकटे पासून केरला डिलिस्ट करपा.
माननीय सदस्य क्रुसिल्वा ऐकून
मुगे एक रिक्वेस्ट आहा. Just study your facts properly. And if you want, we will. 1 minute. We will sit together. And
I
am categorically telling you, both ex-chief ministers, Mr. Digambar Kamath, who is in this house, and late Manohar Parrikar, objected. They have objected. However, when this act in 2016 was enacted in Parliament, Government of Goa or the state of Goa was left with no other option.
Because nothing is written that Goa had objected. Kerala have given reasons.
Now
I would just intervene. What statement you are making?
Goa government has not given anything.
I'll tell you. See, I have the file notings. Now, Speaker, एक मिनट. Wrong did to answer सांगता. Speaker sir, ये file notings पढ़े हा. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, first Congress सरकार आला था तो Digambar Kamath didn't want it. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, on this, I'll pass you the file notings. He says that no central intervention is accepted, DPR is not our baby. After that, this was in 2015. After that, Parsekar, जो मुखेल मंत्री आलो, he said, I agree with the views of my predecessor at page 35N in the year 2011, what Digambar Kamath had said. The change in May 2014, the government changed. In that, it said, looking at the positive attitude of this government towards the state government, I agree for the proposal. This is what the BJP government, Parsekar's note is there. He agreed to it.
Have I
You are
said?
saying that
No,
the
one
central-
second.
You are saying that the central government had the powers, but he agreed in the first place.
No, 1 minute.
This is, I would place this at the table of the House.
No, I agree with what you're saying. I'm not denying
then
what
say
you're
that
saying.
it was Parsekar who did it.
I am saying that in view of the act have been enacted in Parliament, the state of Goa had no other option but to fall in line. This is what I'm saying.
He accepted it. You have to say.
But
Parsekar
no, I
accepted
said no
it.
option to accept.
No option. No, he accepted it.
I have said no option to
His
accept in
answer
view of
said
the
government
act in
towards-
Parliament.
Because looking at the positive attitude, this is a reply on the note. Looking at the positive, तुम्ही केलं ना, 10 केलं नाही.
स्पीकर काय ऑब्जेक्शन दिल ना न्हू ऑब्जेक्शन दिल ना म्हणल्यार नाही गेले डायरेक्ट
Objection dillo.
दिल ना वेर इट इज रिटर्न
After being enacted by Parliament, what are the options you have?
डिलिस्ट केलाय ते
After being enacted in Parliament, what other option does the state government have?
अन्य सदस्य
But he after it was
Silva.
rejected, Parikar said, DPR is not our baby. I'll give you the file notice.
No, DPR, what is the meaning of DPR?
No. Then you
Detailed
see,
project
I
report.
agree with the views of my predecessor
Yes,
at
sir.
page 15N. हे पार्सेकरान केला, साइन पार्सेकरान मारल्या.
स्पीकर सर तेजे डायरेक्ट गोवा गे रिमार्क दाखयता गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा इन्फॉर्म दॅट दे हॅव एक्झामिन्ड द बिल अँड एग्रीड अपॉन आनी मागीर केरला सांग रिजन दिलाय कित्याक डिलिस्ट करपाचें गोवा गे एकूच सेंटन्स आहा
Speaker sir, Advocate Carlos would like to speak. Speak.
Honorable Speaker, question was very specific. The reasons for initially rejecting and subsequently accepting the proposal received from the central government regarding the national rivers. And here, the Honorable Minister might have not noticed when this reply has come. It's very dodgy, and the dodgy reason is this. It says in 2013, proposal was studied and state government was the apprehension that central government may interfere with the state affairs and may take all powers under central ministry, and the proposal was initially not considered. And then they say under 246 of the Constitution article that is because it's nationalization of rivers and therefore you are bound. This is false, and I will tell you why. There was a proposal to nationalize rivers in 2010. The government of Goa refused it. Sudhin Dhaulekar was the Minister of Ports and Digambar Kamath was the Chief Minister at that time. And I'm passing these notings which will show exactly what I'm saying. Two for the Speaker, one for the Chief Minister and one for the Honorable Minister. Please look.
Yeah, you can. We'll give.
Yes. At the time when Digambar Kamath was the Chief Minister, the matter was brought before this House. And when the matter was brought before this House, at page 27N, it is clearly recorded, Honorable CM may kindly peruse his minutes at so-and-so. Subsequent to that, Honorable CM has assured the House in the last session of the Assembly that there is no intention for declaring Goan waterway as national waterway, hence cannot concur with the proposal of the Government of India. This was on 17/3/2011. Now please look at the next file noting which I have given you, which is at page 35N. This is now change of government and Chief Minister's Manohar Parrikar. He writes there, no central intervention is accepted. DPR is not our baby. We may tell them that state is not interested in their proposal, and see these words, and throw the central agencies out of Goa jurisdiction. This is on 8th of March. Then, at page 42, again the proposal is revived on 26th June 2015. Down there, Sudhin Dhaulekar, as the minister, says, the decision of ex-CM on page 35N is very clear. As such, CM may decide on the issue as placed above. And at page 43, N, the noting is, I agree, now just see this, I agree with the views of my predecessor at page 35N. Then, that is in the year 2011, when the then Union government was biased towards the state, with change in government in May 2014 at the center, the attitude of the central government towards states has changed due to federalism type of governance being followed, whereby central government share of the state has increased and the powers also decentralized. Looking at this positive attitude of the union government
आणि
towards the
सदस्य
state
तुमचा प्रश्न
government.
विचारा प्रश्न विचारा
Now, माचे वाचता, then I'll put the question.
वेग
Chale, आणि एक sentence वाचता. Looking at this positive attitude of the union government towards the state government, I agree for the proposal at X or 3 page and the same is approved. And minister says, just signs it and secretary says, government views may be communicated accordingly. The chief minister was Parsekar. Now you look at this, why I'm saying this is, what we wanted is, you had a proposal, you studied it, and what was the justification? This you have not revealed, that this is a fraudulent justification. You did not even tell the House about it, and you just sold our rivers by claiming it is nationalization, and in public interest, you just pass it on to the national.
Speaker sir.
The question now,
Directly
the question
आरोप करता पळे sold म्हणून न्ही. That is not true.
I'm coming to
The
it. Why?
Rastral is giving the explanation.
I'm going to tell you why. Once you have the national rivers, internal rivers, which are called these are inland waterways. When these are given into the hands of them, that's why I use the word sold.
आणि सदस्य तुमचा प्रश्न विचारा न्ही
ना तेन म्हाका इंचाल्ला देखून ते क्लॅरिफाय कोता उत्तर शब्द कित्याक सोल्ड म्हणला हांव ते एक्सप्लेन कोता गिफ्टेड ओके गिफ्टेड म्हणून जाता आतां फुकट दिले question is how does the state propose to protect its interests under this Inland Waterways Act under this thing under nationalization of the rivers?
Speaker, sir, I don't agree when you say that we have gifted the inland waterways to Government of India. Okay, I don't agree with it. Why, I will tell you. You see, under this Indian Waterways Act, Nationalization of Rivers Act of 2016, there were certain provisions which Government of Goa has taken advantage of. And credit to Government of Goa. I think Government of Goa is the only state in the country that negotiated a memorandum of understanding with Government of India. This memorandum of understanding, if you all are not going to disturb me, I will read out to you all.
I know that.
No, but I am reading it out for my colleague, Mr. Cruz Silva and others. In 2018, a memorandum of understanding was signed between Government of Goa, Inland Waterways Authority, and MPT. First, let me tell you why MPT. Normally in the other states, there is a maritime board, but Goa, by virtue of its size, has not constituted a board, and we still operate with the captain of ports. So we didn't have a board. Now, as per this National Waterways Act, the money had to be deposited with an agency with the Maritime Board. But since Goa did not have, the authorities decided that the money should be deposited with MPT. So a tripartite agreement was signed between the Captain of Ports, Marumagawa Port, and Inland Waterways Authority of India. By virtue of this MOU, responsibilities of Government of Goa. For development of the said national ways, Government of Goa shall undertake the following responsibilities. Administration of rules and regulations as permitted under the Indian Waterways Act of 1985. Ensure security and safety of the waterways. Identify projects for implementation in consultation with the Indian Waterways Authority. Facilitate the project executing agency, MPT, to obtain all statutory clearances. land acquisition as and when required for any development work on the said national waterways. Remove any
तुम्ही जितले वेळ
encroachments,
घेतला तर घेऊन दे म्हणतो.
remove
Answer
any
करून घ्या.
encroachments on the waterways. Let me complete. I am on my feet. You let me.
no,
I am.
I want-
What do you mean?
Mr.
Let not
Vegas.
read this. I am reading the salient facts, which I am sure you are not even aware about. You all are just
Mr. Vegas.
shouting. Speaker, sir, I am on my feet. Tell him to
Answer
sit.
करू नये, बस
NG
तो.
Vegas,
Tell him to
NG
sit. I am on
Vegas.
my feet.
अबा,
I
answer
am on my
करू
feet.
नये.
When your colleagues spoke, I never interfered.
Bas,
I never interrupted them. You sit there. Facilitate last mile connectivity from the national waterways for seamless movement of goods and passengers. Government of Goa will identify and propose various development projects to be carried out in the rivers, and the same will be financed by the Indian Waterways Authority and executed by MPT, taking into consideration the technical, financial, environmental, public sensitivities of the state into account. The Indian Waterways Authority and MPT will implement projects in the river in agreement with Government of Goa. The parties agreed that the right over the waters of all the rivers, the riverbeds, the river banks, existing infrastructure, and the riverine land will be vested with the Captain of Ports Department, Government of Goa, as before. The Captain of Ports will be totally free to carry out independently any infrastructure development in the national waterways, utilizing its own finances, and the revenue generated thereof will only accrue to the state government. Also, all existing revenues that are being collected will be solely accrued to the Captain of Ports, Government of Goa only. Next, ensure unrestricted development and utilization of national waterways by regulating the existing fishing activities carried through stake net fishing, barrier net, river gill, river cages, and fishing by any registered gear. Views of the local fishermen of the areas shall, however, be taken into consideration before finalization of a site for development of COP and IWAI. Next, before the finalization, that is work of construction, dredging of a river, training wall construction bund, necessary environment impact assessment reports, if applicable, shall be carried out, and the effect on the ecology and other organisms shall be disclosed before tendering the work. The expenses for conducting the EIA will be funded by the Indian Inland Waterways Authority. Regulate horizontal and vertical clearances across river structures.
Speaker, sir,
These
Honorable
national
Minister,
waterways, I'm on my feet, let me
I know, but
complete.
Speaker, sir, yeah,
I require another 2-3 minutes.
One
I am
minute.
reading the MOU because
have
y'all are
the
making,
MOU, we also have the
y'all are
MOU,
making
Speaker, sir.
allegations. Y'all are making allegations.
Speaker, sir,
Y'all are
no,
making
important
allegations
issue.
to say that we have sold the
आणि
river.
टाइमपास चालला.
आणि सदस्य बसून घ्या.
Let me complete by your
Alton Costa.
केसले.
ए अल्टन डिकोस्टा.
my right to complete.
ए अल्टन
You
डिकोस्टा
all
तुमचे
ask-
प्रश्न
Speaker, sir,
बसून घ्या.
when
ए
they
अल्टन
ask
डिकोस्टा.
answers,
पहिले
I
बस
ask
बस.
questions, I have not
बस
discussed
अल्टन
them.
डिकोस्टा.
Speaker, sir, this is a very sensitive issue.
बाबा सोपवणे जगा
Let me complete.
एल्टन उलोबा लायला.
Then you are- no, let me
त्या
complete.
इंडिया जाते तू
I
स्पीकर
want-
I'll just
वागले
do a
तुझको दा
simple thing.
फ्रेंड सांगेल
You
एल्टन
can't
उलोय
disturb
मु
me. When I am on my
सांगेल
feet, you
एल्टन
can't
उलोय मु
disturb
स्पीकर
me.
सांगेल
I'll just
You put the
तुमचे
clock
बसून
back if you want.
त्यांचे
you
लास्ट
tell the speaker.
You tell us,
Last
I'm
complete
not
करवा
I'm
दिया,
telling you
complete.
because you are pointing to the clock. Speaker Asang, before the
Complete करा.
finalization, that is work of construction of dredging of the river, training wall construction bund, necessary environment impact.
लास्ट कंप्लीट करवा दिया.
Let
कंप्लीट
me
करो.
make a
complete.
request?
I
May
will
I make a
complete. I did
request?
not disturb you all.
No, may I make a request? Just a request. You have already said that there is a MOU which has been executed. We will take it on the face
No,
of
but
it.
I want the how I want even the people in the
Because,
gallery to know about it.
we are accepting
Y'all are-
it.
No, then y'all are saying we have gifted.
No,
Y'all are
wait,
saying
wait.
we have gifted. I am here clarifying
Speaker,
why
sir,
we have not.
but
why
I-
you
I-
cannot.
Speaker,
sir, ये न्यूज़ वाला sold.
Sagarmala project was
All
coming.
the rivers are
Then-
sold.
all the rivers are
Sir,
sold.
all the rivers are sold.
Sagarmala.
Sir, all our rivers are sold. ये किती आहे स्पीकर सर
नाका
हो
आरोप
आन्सर
करपाची सवय झाली
द्या.
आहे.
सगळे बसून घ्या सगळे बसून घ्या
दिवपा ना तो चान्स.
माजी सदस्य सगळे बसून घ्या
स्पीकर सर हे किती हे
माजी सदस्य सगळे बसून घ्या
बरे स्पीकर सर
स्पीकर सर एका बेश्टो आरोप करपाची सवय जाल्ली आहा
कसं
टायमपास बिलकुल करिना तूं जाय जाल्यार एमओयू दवरपाक तयार आहा दवरता स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर
जाग्यार
नाका
चला.
जाता आरोप करपाची सवय जाल्ली आहा
अरे तुमचे तुमचे उत्तर तांणी दिले न्ही तुमच्या हे बघ तुम्ही जितले प्रश्न तुम्ही विचारले तुम्ही वेळ घेतलो तुम्ही
अरे
जाग्यार
काय
बसात.
शिकूंक ना तुमकां बेश्टो भास जाल्ला जाय जाल्यार एमओयू सायन केला गव्हर्मेंटात पयले फावटी
कसं आहे,
नॅशनल बिल
not
पास केल्या
completed.
उपरांत जो
जाग्यार
एमओयू
बसात.
सायन केल्या गोवा ही एकमेव स्टेट आसा
जाग्यार बसात,
त्या
जाग्यार
स्टेटीच्या
बसात.
अंतर्गत असो एमओयू स्टार्ट करून आमी जो
माजी
आसा
सदस्य,
पयले हो
माजी सदस्य सगळे तुम्ही जाग्यार वचून बसात. जाग्यार वचून बसा तुम्ही
स्पीकर सर प्रत्येकाक
माजी सदस्य,
फक्त शो करून दाखयता
जाग्यार वचून बसात.
एमओयू गो थ्रू द एमओयू मागीर एमओयू
जाग्यार वचून बसात.
वी आर रेडी टू प्लेस उत्तर दिता ते आयकून घेयात उत्तर आयकून घेवपाचें ना.
जाग्यार वचून बसात.
फक्त
टाइम वेस्ट करताले.
उत्तर आयकून
जाग्यार वचून बसात जाग्यार वचून बसात
एलोपीन आयकून घेवचें उत्तर एमओयू आसा ऑन पेपर सांगता तुझ्या कडेन आसा मरे गो थ्रू द एमओयू अरे कोणाक सांगता तूं ते स्पीकर सर तेका एमओयू
लीडर ऑपोजिशन जाग्यार वचून बसात जाग्यार वचून बसात श्री एल्टन डिकोस्टा तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारना श्री एल्टन डिकोस्टा तुमचो प्रश्न विचारपाचो ना चल श्री एल्टन डिकोस्टा
मिनटां भितरला जाता
स्पीकर
उत्तर
सर
आयकून घेवपाची तयारी ना.
मान्य मंत्रीन आमगे आमदार कुरूज उलयता आसतना सांगला you have to see that this rivers it was very sad to say तुवें कितें म्हणा those rivers are not us when he
Please repeat.
rivers amcho no it is within the central purview multa you have said that it is with the center tell speaker sir how did multa you said no we cannot say he said it no before that speaker sir आम्ही 40 आमदार आहे speaker sir आम्ही 40 आमदार आहे if he cannot save our rivers speaker sir we cannot save our rivers the MLAs of no use the MLAs of no use if we cannot save our rivers
how will he do it?
what are MLAs for 40 आमदार आहे आम्ही we have to pass something here make it sure that the rivers come to us
Speaker sir.
Complete my answer.
Speaker sir आम्ही 40 आमदार आहे आणि आमका समज आमगे न्हंयो सांभाळपाक कोणाय जाल्यार वी आर गुड फॉर
हे
नथिंग
किती आहे स्पीकर सर
स्पीकर सर
गीत आरोलकर
परतूय
काय
सांगता.
झालं?
आरोलकर सगळे बसून घ्या
पार्लिमेंटान
माजी सदस्य
मेन
बसून घ्या सगळे
5B.
सगळे बसून घ्या
It is permitted to ask 5B.
आरोलकर
सर
केले कॅट सगळे कॅट
Hello,
सगळे
Galler. 5B.
गीत आरोलकर
Speaker sir, I will make a very loud
Speaker sir, 5B.
Honorable Chief Minister.
सर एका आरोप करपाची नाका जाल्ली सवय जाल्ली आसा हांव सांगता
Loud
कितें ना?
Speaker
Opposition leader.
Speaker sir.
सर
युरी आलेमाव
सर विरोधकांक आन्सर
अपोजिशन लीडर युरी आलेमाव बसून घ्या
sir.
Speaker sir, 5B.
पडे
आन्सर घेवपाचे ना प्रश्न
how you have to run
Opposition leader.
स्पीकर सर
आमका जे
Speaker sir, हांव परत
मुखेलमंत्री
एकदा सांगता तेका.
मुखेलमंत्री
तूं
दोळो
answer
माता
आयकून घे.
आन्सर
Answer
ऐकेन आमी
आयकून घे.
जायत चोयलें.
Sir, 5B.
हे पडे स्पीकर सर
5B.
5B
मुखेलमंत्री सगळे कंट्रोल
5B
दोड माता हातान येता सगळे तुंच कोदा आन्सर न्हू तू सगळे तुंच कोदा आसनाका
युरी आलेमाव युरी आलेमाव बसून घ्या
स्पीकर सर तुम्ही आमका
युरी आलेमाव बसून घ्या स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर
स्पीकर सर
5B
5B कित्याक हे 5B कित्याक
5B.
अरे स्पीकर सर हे चेंज मुखेलमंत्री सांगत ते तू कोत मरे स्पीकर सर
अरे कितें आरोप करू नका निदान
कितें न्हू
स्पीकराचेर
तू
आरोप
दोड मोठा
हांव
दोळो
सांगता
दोळो
Third question
दोड
number.
माता दोळो
दोळो
दोड
माजी
माता
सदस्य
आता लोयता
विभागाची शांतता भागात
दोड मोनाका दोड मोनाका
अरे दोळो
तुक स्वप्ना ते दोड
मुखेलमंत्री
दोड
Speaker sir, 5B.
चोयताय
5B.
विरोधी पक्ष नेते
कितें स्पीकर सर
5B
5B ना आमका
5B.
5B.
मंत्री कोण हा चल
This is an important question.
कृषी मंत्री
The rivers are sold.
कृषी मंत्री
Speaker sir, 5B.
हे पारसेकरण केला.
काय बी
As per computer sheet.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, Speaker sir, Honorable Minister reply दिला त्याप्रमाणे
जे दिगंबर कामत आशिल्लो काँग्रेसच्या टायमार that time he had rejected
no
this
scheme
proposal.
and no scheme under
जेन्ना आले
there
दिगंबर
are no
कामत
legitimacy for the scheme mentioned at the point number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9.
हे पारसेकरण
नो स्कीमी आहात
केला.
नो स्कीमीतल्यान 4 स्कीमी तुमचे इम्प्लिमेंट जातात आणि गेले 3
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस, जिसका पीला दाना है संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान। अब घर घर में पंचामृता।